Let's solve homework exercise number 8 from section 9.3. We need to convert 17 ounces to grams. Notice right here in this chart given with the problem, for every 1 ounce there are 28 grams. So we can use that conversion in dimensional analysis to convert 17 ounces. Okay. The units we want is in the numerator is grams. The prefix here, or the number with it, is 28 grams for every 1 ounce. Okay, that's a 0. I mean, that's an O, OZ1. Okay, not a 10. So anyway, 17 ounces. Maybe put a line through it so we know it's not a, so it's an O. Okay, but anyway, 17 ounces. We're the number 28 grams, 28, the number that's not 1 is in the numerator, so we know we're going to multiply. So 17 times 28, the ounces will cancel and we'll get our answer in terms of the number of grams. Okay? So again, the number 28 is in the numerator. We're going to multiply the given number 17 ounces by 28 grams per ounce. So we get 476 grams. All right. Now we're converting 78 pounds to grams. Now, notice, there is no conversion directly from pounds to grams in this chart. However, there are pounds to kilograms. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to convert pounds to kilograms, and then we'll use our metric to metric conversion to go from kilograms to grams. Okay, so we'll do 2 steps. Okay, so the first step is 78 pounds. We want to convert to we can convert to kilograms. The units we want is kilograms, so that goes in the numerator. 0.45 is the factor, 0.45 kilograms for every 1 pound. Okay, is the conversion for pounds to kilograms. Pounds will cancel. 0.45 is in the numerator, so that tells us we're going to multiply the 2 numbers together. 78 times 0.45, which will give us the number of kilograms. So we'll do that on the calculator. 78 times 0.45. And we get 35.1. Now remember, that was kilograms, right? We used it to convert to get to kilograms. So 35.1 kilograms. Now we have what? We want grams. Kilo, hecta, deca, and then grams is the unit by itself. So from kilograms to grams, we're going to do 1, 2, 3 jumps to the right. So 35, the decimals here, 1, 2, 3 jumps. So we'll end up adding 2 zeros, right? So that will give us 35,100 grams. Okay, so again, we converted from pounds to kilograms using dimensional analysis, and then we got 35.1 kilograms, and then we just did our metric to metric, moved it over 3 places, moved the decimal 3 places to the right to go from kilograms to grams, and that gave us the answer, 35,100 grams. All right, very good. Number 10, convert a small 350 metric tons to an English, to a capital T. So again, here we have 350 small t, okay? Our conversion is what? The capital T for English ton is 0.9 metric tons. So again, we want to convert to the capital T. So the unit is what? 1 capital T is equal to 0.9 small t, okay? Or metric tons. Okay, now again, notice we want to get to capital T. That's in the numerator. The small t's we want to cancel, okay? So we're going to go ahead and set it up like that. The small t's cancel. Our answer is going to be in English tons. Now, the 0.9 is in the denominator, right? It's in the denominator, so that tells us we're going to divide. So even though it's a number less than 1, we're going to divide. So it's going to be 350 divided by 0.9 will give us the equivalent English tons, okay? So 350 divided by 0.9, and we get 388.888. And again, be careful here, round to the nearest hundredth, 2 decimal places. So 388.888, 3 decimals is there. The 8 is in the third decimal, which means we're going to add 1 to the second decimal, which is the hundredths, right? So adding 1 would make it 388.89. All right. Very good. Let's look at problem homework exercise number 11. Convert the given Celsius temperature to its equivalent Fahrenheit. Okay, now, again, the formulas, if you go ahead and just do the view and example, you get the 2 formulas. There they are. Fahrenheit is 9/5 Celsius plus 32. So when we have Celsius, we'll use that one. Substitute in the Celsius temperature for C, solve for F. Okay, so we'll use the one on the left, put in the C value, and get to the F. And then when we have the Fahrenheit, put in the F value, and then calculate it with 5/9 in parentheses F minus 32. So those are the 2 formulas. Okay, so now what we have is 27 degrees Celsius. So we're going to convert to Fahrenheit. So we need to use the formula F equals 9/5 times Celsius plus 32. That's the formula for Fahrenheit because we want to convert to Fahrenheit. So we use the one solved for F. And then, so F equals 9/5 times the Celsius given is 27 plus 32. Now you can do this all in one step on your calculator, okay? You can write it all in one step. So again, if we do that, we go ahead and get 9/5 means 9 divided by 5. And then you can put it in parentheses for multiplication. The Celsius, which is 27 plus 32, and there's your entire formula, and we get 80.6 to the nearest tenth, so it's exactly put in that number. It came out to tenths. All right, very good. Number 12, -1 Celsius. -1 degree Celsius is what temperature Fahrenheit? Now again, so Fahrenheit, we want to use the one with F equals. It's again 9/5 times -1 plus 32. Okay, that's our formula to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. The Celsius goes in 9/5 times C, which it's given to be a -1. So again, we can do the steps on the calculator. 9/5 means you can do it as 9 divided by 5. So 9 divided by 5, then in parentheses times a -1. All right, close the parens, plus 32, and we get to the nearest tenth, 30.2 degrees. All right, now we got to convert 82 Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now notice, we're given the Fahrenheit, we want Celsius, so this time we're going to use the formula with C equals. So C, whichever one you want, that's the formula, the one that it's solved for. So in this case, C equals 5 nines times f minus 32, and then again put in the 82 for f, so c is equal to 5 nines times 82 minus 32. And again, if you use parentheses, if you copy this down and do division for 5 divided by 9, you can do it all in one step on your calculator. You don't have to break it up into parts. So again, if we use that formula, we'll go ahead and put it into the calculator. 5 ninths means 5 divided by 9, and then just put in the parentheses, right? Because you got to do the subtraction first. 82 minus 32. 82 is the Fahrenheit temperature. Hit enter, and again, round to the nearest 10, 27.77. So the second decimal is a 7, so we would add 1 and get 27.8 to the nearest 10th. So let's go ahead and put that in. All right, let's do negative 11 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so again, we want to solve for Celsius, so we use the formula C equals. Whatever one we want to find, that's the one the formula that's by itself, or the C equals in this case. So F minus 32, and then so Celsius is 5 divided by 9. The Fahrenheit is negative 11 minus 32. Okay, so again, you can do that in one step on your calculator. Just copy it in. 5 ninths you can put in as division. So we'll do 5 divided by 9, and then left paren, negative 11. Remember, negative is below the 3, minus 32. And there's our complete formula. Hit enter. And we get a negative 23.88. There's an 8 in the second decimal, so the nearest tenth would make it. You would add 1 to the 8 and the tenths, and it would be a negative 23.9 to the nearest tenth. Okay, we're going to stop this session at problem number 14, or homework exercise 14. If you have a question, email me at tsquares@hodges.edu or call me at 239-938-7805. Thank you.